woke up to a contract violation. This guy, apparently that order from last video, the Nectar juice bar that went up 3 flights of stairs, never arrived. See, this is one of the reasons that I record, because either their neighbor from across the way stole their food or they just straight up lied. And it was a good order. I'm pretty sure I even said it was a good order, but whatever. I reached out and told them that I'd record every single drop off, so if they want me to send it to them, I will. Anyways, ran over. We got our first order of the day. This is McDonald's going 3 miles.
With the B11, right?
Yeah. Thank you. Oh, I really hope this sprinkler does not get me. I think it is. Nope. I think I'm on a good cycle. Come on. Oh, this one is right on me. Please don't get me wet. Please don't get me wet. That was a no tip, by the way. Total ended up being $4. And we're going back to McDonald's. This one is going 2 miles.
Just letting you know, we didn't have any of the hot chocolate, so I just put a mocha frappe in there instead.
I'll let them know.
Just that our machine is down for that.
Gotcha. Thank you. This one is going, I think, to Wendy's. It said, please go through the drive-thru.
Thank you for your visit, but we are currently closed. Please visit us again during our normal business hours.
Oh, yeah. I'll take it.
Okay. And just so you know, they didn't have the hot chocolate. Total for that one was $5. Next order, we have a Starbucks. This is $7 going 2 miles. I don't think this one's gonna be ready because I just got it and, well, it's right there. Hello. Thank you. You too. Not a terrible wait, but I'm pretty sure I'm their first order of the day. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a McDonald's, $7 and change, going 3 miles.
My time
Going right back to McDonald's. This one's gonna be going 4 miles.
Delivery?
Yeah. You too, thank you. Slowest driver in the world, by the way. Took us 10 minutes to get into this parking lot. Total for that order was $7. Pretty good, pretty good. I feel like we've been hustling today. I think I've done like 5 orders so far in about an hour, a little over an hour. Next order up, we've got a Seize the Bagel. This one is $10 going 4.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Next up, we've got a Burgerville going 4.5 miles.
It's all in there.
Thank
Have
you.
a good one.
You too. Ooh, good tip on that one. Total ended up being $9 and change. Finally got the next order. We've got Donut Nook going 8.5 miles.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you.
Bye. Good morning.
Morning. Total for that last order was $10. This is sees the bagel, $8 and change, going 4 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How's it going?
There you are.
Thank you very much.
Have a good one. Next up, we've got a stack going to the same person. We've got Black Rock Coffee and Wendy's going 4.5 miles. We've got Wendy's here and Black Rock Coffee just across the way. I'm gonna do the Wendy's first because I don't want their drink to melt while I'm waiting on this. Wendy's being ready when I walk in, that's a rare sight. So they were both ready for me. Would you look at that? Total for that was $14. Wow, that was actually really good. Thank you. Just got the next order. I know this one's not gonna be anywhere near as good. We've got a Wendy's going 6 miles. I see a random bunny. Hopefully it doesn't get scared and run away as soon as I open my door. Oh, there's 2 of them. I got distracted by the bunnies, but I got an add-on order for Wendy's and it's going on an additional 1.5 miles. The straws in the bags for this one? Okay, thank you. You too. All right, we survived. Someone did not tip there. Total ended up being $13 for those. And we've got the next order right away. This is Scratch Breakfast going 8 miles.
Okay. Jamie is probably gonna be like another 3 minutes.
Okay.
It's got like 1 more second on your order. Okay, for Jamie. Sorry about the wait.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Might want that.
Oh my god, I'm so sick.
Note to self, do not trust her time units because 3 minutes actually means 10 and 1 second actually means 3 minutes. Also, there was a lighter in that bag for some reason, like one of those long ones that like have the long neck and you can light from afar. I don't know, don't ask me. That took forever, by the way. Okay, at least there was a decent tip on that. Total ended up being $17 and change. Next order up, we've got a McDonald's going 7 miles. Hello. That was mine.
Okay.
Yep. I don't know how that was not ready for me because I was really close to being late on this one. Total for that order was $8. Current time is 10:08. Total, we are at, I think, 132. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.